In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Suno AI songs on Spotify, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull your track from Suno AI and deliver it to Spotify using a distributor quickly and cleanly. Start by heading to Suno AI and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to either the library or the create page. Both places show your saved songs. Take a moment to scan your catalog and pick the exact track you want to release. It helps to double check the title and version so you don't grab an early draft by accident. Next, open the options for that song by clicking the three-dot icon right next to it. From the drop-down, choose Download. When the format options appear, download it as a WAV file. WAV is uncompressed and is the standard many distributors prefer, so you'll keep the best possible audio quality for streaming. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember. Otherwise, it will land in your default downloads folder. Renaming the file with the final song title right now can save you time later. With your audio ready, create an account with a music distributor such as DistroKid. A distributor is the service that delivers your music to platforms like Spotify on your behalf. Before you sign up, it's a good idea to review their guidelines for AI-generated music and make sure you have the rights to distribute your track. Many services are fine with AI-assisted music as long as you're the rightful owner and you disclose accurately. After your account is set, go to your distributor's dashboard and upload your song. You'll be prompted to add details like the artist name, the track title, and other basic release information. The dashboard will guide you through the required fields, and you can follow its prompts step by step. Keep an eye on formatting and spelling so everything looks professional once it goes live. If the distributor offers quality checks, let it finish analyzing your file. It helps catch issues before release. Once your upload is complete, your distributor will handle delivery to Spotify and other major platforms. Release times vary, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. You can monitor your release status from the dashboard and wait for the green light. That's it. Log in to Suno AI, download your song as a WAV, create your distributor account, and upload the track. Follow these steps, and your Suno AI music will be on Spotify before you know it.